When we look at the world around us, we perceive it as happening in real time. We see a bird fly, a ball bounce, or a friend smile, and it feels instantaneous. However, this perception of instantaneity is an illusion, a trick of our brains. In reality, what we see is the result of light bouncing off objects and traveling to our eyes. Light, despite its ethereal nature, doesn't travel instantaneously. It moves incredibly fast, the fastest thing in the universe in fact, but still at a finite speed. This speed, approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, is incredibly fast by human standards. But on the scale of the cosmos, it's surprisingly leisurely. This finite speed of light means that it takes time for light to travel from its source to our eyes. This delay is imperceptible in our everyday lives because the distances involved are so small. But when we start looking at objects in space, the vast distances involved mean that the light we see from them has taken a significant amount of time to reach us. To understand the mind-boggling distances involved in astronomy, we use a unit of measurement called a light year. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. Considering the speed of light, that's an incredible 9.46 trillion kilometers. When we say a star is 100 light years away, we mean that the light we see from it today left that star 100 years ago. In essence, we're not seeing the star as it is now, but as it was a century in the past. The farther away an object is in space, the farther back in time we are looking. This concept might seem strange at first, but it becomes more intuitive if we think about it in terms of sound. Imagine watching fireworks explode in the distance. You see the flash of light first, and then a few seconds later you hear the boom. This happens because sound travels much slower than light. Just as with sound, the delay between seeing and hearing the fireworks gives us an idea of their distance. The delay between the light leaving a star and reaching our eyes tells us how far away it is. It also means that we're seeing that star, not as it is now, but as it was when the light we're seeing left it. This looking back in time effect becomes more dramatic the further out we look. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is about 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light we see from Andromeda today left that galaxy 2.5 million years ago, long before modern humans even existed. Looking at even more distant objects like quasars, which are billions of light-years away, allows us to peer billions of years into the past, closer to the Big Bang itself. We see these objects not as they are now, but as they were when the universe was young. Galaxies, vast collections of stars, gas and dust, are like cosmic time capsules. Because they are so far away, the light we see from them has taken billions of years to reach us. This means that when we study distant galaxies, we are effectively looking back in time, seeing them as they were billions of years ago. By studying these fossil records of the early universe, we can learn a great deal about how galaxies form and evolve over time. We can see how their shapes and sizes change, how the stars within them are born, live, and die, and how the universe itself has changed over its long history. This ability to look back in time is one of the most powerful tools astronomers have in their quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. It allows us to piece together the history of the universe and our place within it. The concept of looking back in time might seem like something out of science fiction, but it's a fundamental aspect of our universe. It arises from the simple fact that light, the messenger that carries information about the cosmos, travels at a finite speed. By understanding this concept, we unlock a deeper understanding of the universe around us. We can appreciate the vast distances involved, the incredible timescales at play, and the profound implications of looking back at the universe as it was billions of years ago. Every time we look up at the night sky, we are engaging in a form of time travel, witnessing the echoes of events that happened long before our time. Every time we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing stars, we're looking back in time. From the light of our sun, which takes 8 minutes to reach us, to distant galaxies whose light has traveled for billions of years, space is like a time machine showing us the universe's history. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember, you're witnessing the past unfold before your eyes. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing cosmic facts. See you in the next video. Stay curious.